Hey there, it's Daniel from Simple Ink, and let's talk Notion in 2025. What can we expect? What new features are coming in the new year? And I wrote an article, and this in this video I am going to talk to you about my view and my predictions of new Notion features in 2025. So first of all, to understand what we can expect from Notion in the future, the best is to look back a bit and understand what they did so far. Notion, basically what they do is, first of all, they come up with new features based on feedback on their own internally, but they also acquire different kind of apps that they later on integrate in their own Notion ecosystem. So for example, they bought automated.io in 2021, and as you could see in the last couple of months, or this year 2024, they came up with a lot of new automation features, and the database automations are really good now. The same thing is with Cron that they bought, and basically that became Notion Calendar, and I really like that integration and how they communicate between each other, your Notion workspace with Notion Calendar. They also bought Skiff this year. So this is an app that will become basically Notion Mail next year. And they also acquired Flowdash in 2022. So these are the main acquisitions by Notion. So let's see what we can really expect in 2025. So first and foremost, that we all know and we all wait for it, and I'm also on the wait list, is Notion Mail. So they basically bought Skiff, and Skiff had a mail function in there, and they built Notion Mail from that, and it is in beta right now. You can join the waitlist if you go to the Notion page, Notion Mail page, and basically it will be a mail client that will be integrated very nicely in your Notion workspace, similarly to Notion calendar. So as you can see, it has the same design language. You can create different views, and I'm sure that you will be able to connect your different mails to your databases in your Notion workspace. Also, it will come with different AI functions, and of course this will be a really nice new addition to the Notion ecosystem. The next feature that we can expect in 2025, and I really hope that it will come, is offline mode. So this is something, it's one of the top requests in Notion's community for years now. And if rumors are true, we will see in 2025 an offline mode inside Notion. So this is really exciting. And moving on, another thing that I really think, and I also really hope that there will be the case, is a Notion Drive. So why I'm saying this is because Skiff, that was purchased by Notion, also had a feature, Skiff Drive. So if they created from Skiff Mail, they created Notion Mail, I really hope that they will do the same with Skiff Drive. So especially that we all know that Notion is really targeting small businesses, startups, and they are basically going against the likes of Google Workspace. And every business will need something of a drive. So I'm really hopeful that this will also come in 2025. Okay, the next one is, I guess there will be some kind of brainstorming tools like a whiteboard or some sort, as they bought Flowdash a while back, and they still haven't really used this acquisition to create something. And in my opinion, it will be something similar to what ClickUp has, like whiteboards in ClickUp. So there will be a whiteboard where you can create different mind maps, but you can also add your tasks in there. You can create free form designs, sticky notes, and so on. I'm not really sure about this, but I think and I hope that this might also come in the next year. And of course, we will see a lot of Notion AI improvements. So AI is still a buzzword. I'm sure that it will be in 2025 too. And they will work on making AI more usable and more friendly. And they will make Notion AI actually useful in your Notion workspace. Now, as I mentioned, we should understand the direction of Notion. So it's getting clearer and clearer that they are targeting small businesses. They want to become some sort of Google Workspace or another good app that we can check to see is ClickUp. So ClickUp is also an app that wants to be the everything app for work. So this is their homepage, and ClickUp is also doing all kinds of things. And as you can see, what I wanted to talk about is that ClickUp just introduced chat. So some kind of Slack alternative, it will have to come to Notion too. So if you want to build an ecosystem for companies to have everything in one place, then you also need some sort of Slack alternative. So ClickUp introduced ClickUp Chat, and I'm really sure that Notion will do the same. I'm not sure if this will come in 2025, but I'm again really hopeful, and it would be a really nice addition. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that I really like the Notion way, as I like to call it. So as we have the Apple way, not coming with anything groundbreaking and anything new, but doing it the Apple way, I can see the same thing inside Notion. So when they come with a new feature, it's polished, it's nicely designed, it's working perfectly with the Notion ecosystem. It's flawless, and I really hope that they will keep up this work, because it just gives us trust, and I we know that if a new feature comes out, it will work as intended. So I really hope that 2025 will be an awesome year for us Notion users. And if they will do just as much as in 2024, it will be. So just as a reminder, in 2024, we had Notion forms, we got layouts, we got charts, we got Notion sites, we got Notion home, and Notion calendar. So this was our 2024, our main features, and a lot of others, like a lot of new automation and AI features. But 2024 was an amazing year for Notion, and I really hope that 2025 will be just as good and just as full with new features and new applications like 2024. So thank you. That's it for now. Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next video.